Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a good day. Y'all, we're getting close to Christmas. Too close because I ain't got none of my shopping done. I've got a little bit done, but not very much. My brother, we've still been going down there as much as we can. And I really appreciate all the prayers. Y'all, I'm fixing me some coffee because Lord knows I need it. But I'm here, y'all. I'm going to do my Fab Fit Fun box right quick. It came in. We got back. We'd been somewhere the other day and come back and it was sitting on the steps. So, but anyhow, I'm going to have my coffee and I'm fixing to light my candle. Amy, away girl, thanks for the shout out. You're too sweet. The Campfire Donut, Bath and Body Works candle. I love it. I've had it, I think I started burning it about a week ago, and I want you to look. It's like, I don't know if you can see it or not. It's down to there, and I just bought one, and so I've got to go back and get me another one of them. But yes, I love this candle. It has become, this is one of my favorites. But y'all, I still like this one too. The hot cocoa and cream. It just, it makes your house smell like hot chocolate. So, but yes, I've been burning. I've been alternating back and, well, here you go, Amy. This will tell you something. I've been alternating back and forth. Look, I got more of this left than this. This one's nearly gone, so. But I'm glad she mentioned that. I love it, so. All right, y'all, I'm going to have my coffee. I'm going to visit with y'all a little bit. And I have got a little green light that keeps popping. I don't know. Is it an orb? You know, I don't know. But anyhow, we're going to run through my Fab Fit Fun box real quick, okay? Don't know what's in it. Matter of fact, normally I will watch a few videos to see what's in it, what I'm expected to get. But, y'all, I have been so busy, I have not had time to hardly watch any videos. So, but I've been trying to, I've tried to keep up with some, but now nobody else, I don't think there's, well, Melissa Autry. Male MPHS, I think that's, I don't even know if that's her channel name anymore. Anyhow, she gets this. And I seen the video, but I don't think I watched it, I believe. So, but anyhow, so this is going to be a surprise to me and a surprise to you, or unless you've seen some other videos. And I need to just shut up and quit rambling, don't I? Y'all, I'm so tired. I am running on fumes again. These trips back and forth to the coast to visit with my brother is very tiring. Okay, the first thing we got is a BB Dakota. All right, y'all, I'm going to have to put my glasses on. This is a black poncho. Okay. Let's see here. All right. Boy, this would have been good for the night. We didn't go, but if we'd have went, it'd been good for the Christmas parade. Okay. See? Got the split in it right there. So. And you just take. And just throw it over here like that. Oh, it's nice. Y'all, I don't know why that green, can you see it? It disappears. I don't know what it is, why it does that. So. But. I don't know. But anyhow, let's get through this, and if it's an orb, maybe it's somebody we know. We got the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Fall asleep faster, naturally, and wake up refreshed. It is This Works. So, it smells like lavender. So, we got that. We got a pair of fuzzy socks. Let me get the paper off of it. This is Point Studio Post-Workout Collection. So, y'all, we can never get too many fuzzy socks in the winter, can we? We got a necklace. I guess this is a necklace. Everybody has reasons. I don't know. 9 Lives Choker is what it's called. Can you see? Like that. We have got the Kate Somerville Skin Health Experts. This is an Exfoliate. What a play on words. It's an intensive exfoliating treatment by Kate Somerville. And y'all, I'm sorry about them spots. I don't know why they're doing that. Then we got the Nelson Beverly Hills Moisture Healing Mask. Argan Oil, 7 formula. Delivers a combination of multi-benefits. Detangled. Okay, it's coconut flavored. Coconut flavored. Coconut scented. It's a mask for your hair. Okay. Ooh, smells good too. Even through the silver tab, I can smell it. We also got the Mineral Hand Cream, special size limited edition. Y'all, I need this. This is, my hands are so dry. And I did my nails last night and went to bed and messed them up, so I'm fixing to have to do them over again. But it is a mineral hand cream. Right there. I don't know if did I show you that? Did I show you the... So, and those are good size tubes too, y'all. Oh, I need coffee. I need coffee. So, oh my goodness. And it looks like we got Love You a Latte. This is a 15-ounce ceramic mug. I'm going to break a nail trying to open it. So. Oh, how cute. Look at here. Can you see that? Love You a Latte. So, and there's the back side of it. That's cute. I like that. I'm going to leave that out and wash it and maybe put my coffee in it. All right, and then we got, I don't know what this is, y'all. I usually grab scissors. All right, this is an eyeshadow palette. Whoa, that's pretty. And y'all, it's thick too. It's Douche. This is the Matic Eyeshadow Pro Palette Nude Eye Finish. And y'all, I don't know, D-O-U-C-C. I don't know if that's an E or not. Can you see it? I don't know how to pronounce it. So, but it sure has got some pretty colors. Look there. Got a highlighter. And I know I'm getting a glare, y'all. And then we got some shimmer. Well, they're all, okay, let's see. We've got 3 mattes. And let's see. Yeah, we've got 3 mattes. These are all mattes at the top. And then these right here, well, no, hold on. These right here are shimmers. So, and then we got like a highlight. Boy, that's nice. Got a big mirror, if you can see the mirror. So, but we've got Mila, Veronica. These are the name of the color names of the shadows. Mila, Veronica, Delea, Aspen, Amanda, Haper, H-A-P-P-E-R, Natalie, Ariana, and then the highlight, the big highlight, is called Solstice. So, y'all, that's pretty. I like that. So, I may throw that in my suitcase and take it with me when I go back to the coast. So, all right, folks. That's it. That's my whole little Fab Fit Fun. It didn't take long, 8 minutes. I rambled a little. But thank you so much for watching. I appreciate everything, all the prayers for my brother. It just, I really do. He's had this morning, I talked to my brother this morning. He's kind of had a rough morning. For whatever reason, he was going to try to quit taking pain pills. And then he woke up this morning hurting, so I guess he changed his mind on that. He's very emotional, having a little trouble breathing. They brought him in some oxygen. He's having a little trouble breathing, so. But we don't know how much time he has left. And of course, we don't know how much time any of us have left, so. But y'all, I really appreciate the prayers. I appreciate your patience with my Friday favorites. I'm going to try to get back to them after the first of the year, I hope. I'm just filming when I can in a hurry on an old iPhone. That's what this is. So, but and then trying to do work, trying to work too, doing closings and stuff like that when I'm home. And but I still feel like I'm running off fumes. But thank you so much. I really do appreciate all the love and prayers and the kind words. And I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas and a very, very happy New Year. So, but thank you so much for watching, and God bless.